everyone, welcome to my nutrition foods. I'm Sonia and I'm really happy you can join me here today. So I am going to be sharing one of my favorite recipes for a cucumber smoothie. You would need to have a whole cucumber. Now cucumbers are really good for you. I used to think they were just something you added just to a plain boring old salad, but then I found out they're actually really good to add to smoothies. They are 95% water, but they do have lots of nutrients in them, lots of vitamin C and vitamin K, so good for potassium, good for your bones. They also have lots of fibre. This can be found in the peel of the cucumber. So now other ingredients we add to our cucumber smoothie today will be the coconut water. So I have 1 cup of coconut water. You can also use a plant-based milk, almond milk or soy milk, but sometimes I just like to change it up a little bit and use coconut water instead. So this works really well. And then we have 1 banana. This is frozen banana. I do have another video on how to freeze bananas for smoothies. This is just a good way of keeping any bananas you have that are getting overripe, saves throwing them away. And then you always have a banana on hand for days when you do want to make a smoothie. And then we have half a cup of pineapple. Now this is frozen pineapple, and it just adds to making it more chilled, a really nice chilled taste to the smoothie. You can use fresh pineapple as well. And then we have half a cup of spinach. You can use kale too, and this is just such a powerhouse of nutrients. So let's make a start. I'm just going to chop the ends off the cucumber. Now you can keep the peel on if you would like more fibre in your smoothie. You would just need to blend it for a little bit longer just to make it a bit smoother. Or you can take the peel off if you prefer it to be more smoother, less fibre. Either or works. So for today's smoothie, I'm just going to do a little bit of both. So I'm just going to take some of the peel off and just leave some on. The more peel you do leave on, the smaller I would chop it up, just so it makes it easier to blend. Okay, so we're ready to add our ingredients and get this smoothie made. I always start off with the liquid base, just so it blends a little easier. So let's get that added. And then I'm just going to add the cucumber here. I would recommend just having a really good blender because it does make a difference when blending. I've got a Ninja here. There are a few really good ones out there, so definitely recommend a good blender. Let's add the banana and the pineapple. And last but not least, the spinach. I'm going to blend for about a minute. That should be enough just to make it all smooth and creamy. So let's blend away. Let's give this a taste. Just look at that lovely green colour. We can also just take a slice of cucumber. Just to get that really pretty look. That's really nice. It's really refreshing, something really nice to have on a hot summer's day. So please give this a try. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. Let me know in the comments below. And please click the like button and subscribe if you'd like to hear some more healthy recipes and tips from my nutrition foods. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me today. Stay happy, stay healthy.